Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Izandeni balisele ndibetha ama-grade 12 girls 2016 besithi ndibambe impili. Yabona guys, when umuntu esethi i-bullying ine-effect empilweni yomuntu, even in the long run, axoki kosem, because mna ngoku kule ndawo endikuyo ndizifumana ndingumuntu who wants to over-explain herself. Like, for an example, masithi umuntu oboleka imali kum, I send you the screenshot of my bank account uba andinayo, because ingada uzundibhiliva xa ndisithi andinayo. Like, I don't know, ingase ndizicacise kakhulu, ingathi undibhilivi xa ndisitsho kayi-1 okanye I don't know how to say this, but like, yeah. So 2016 ndenza grade 12 ndibhala i-final. I will start get day before of the actual day. So, God, I don't even have the detail of what really happened. I still don't know it even today. But all I know is that there was a number of girls, zakwa grade 12, ezakuja hostel, kwathiwa ngalba busuku mabayolala. I don't know, landa ibizwa ngantoni na nge-skill center. Is a skill center landa uskizo? I don't remember. But ke bayolala pha because by threat kwabanye abantwana, because apparently they wanted to better my grade 10. It was a thing kenyanga ngela xesha, you understand? So bakhutshwa ke ngoba busuku. I still don't have the detail of what really happened, but what I know is that bakhutshwa bayolala pha, and then in the morning ngathi ke babegxothwa ke hostel. Yeah. God, Jesus, I still, because even today, after these years, I swear on my grandfather's grave, I still don't know what happened. I still don't know why they chose me. But because it was not me. It was not me. Like ndaba nelishwa of education mna kwase hostel bentingumuntu ongenalaka. Like benge bona ndiba ubenegazi elibi ungathandisiseke ncam bentingulo mntu, I would say, because yeah, I would say. So following day in the morning ndiyahamba ndibheke esikolweni, ndisuke hostel, ndayibona kwalapho uba kwayikho response yabo ndidlula e-skill center ndibabulisa. Ndabona kwalapho uba khona ndingekho kwasemoyeni ndandiyiva. Azothi umnye umfana kumuseko mdaba, utsho sekukamva fine ba bendikukhangela ke because ndivile into enje, ndabe ngiqonda ndifuna umke kwalapha, you understand? But ke ndizombona sekumva sekwenzeke yonke into. So that day singu-SO, we had a meeting esasinayo for event ezabakhona ka-SCO. Sikwa 11B class tourism. I remember very ndisayikhumbula la mini ukuvuka kwam uyotsho gqibeleni kwemini. So iphele ke meeting, ndithi ku chairperson ba ndicela ndiboleke isitixo ndizomnika because we're writing final exam, ndizomnika after ndigqiba ukufunda isitixo sale class. Fine, qona ke mqa ndiyochama ndiphume toilet. Xa ndithi bona igquba labantu linyuka, buye ibona indlela inyanga indlela eme ngayo, ndibona igquba labantu linyuka ngaphaya kulaa ndlela isuke hostel, besiza bebaleka, babetha ngenyawo phantsi. It's drizzling, ndinxibe all white, metric jacket yethu yayinecala amacala ayi-2. I was wearing that side gate that was written we came, we conquered and we left. So I was wearing metric hat, beanie, nescarf. They were white in color. So ndibabone ke xa ndizongena eklasini, le class ndiza kuyo, ba uSimangalo mbamba kanje, qhela kakubi ntona andiyazi noba kwenze wanibamba olu hlobo. Bandibamba ke nabanye banditsala ke ngoku sayoma ngasegeyithini, khona umthi ongasegeyithini inyanga ubuya ubona kwafika nabanye ke ngosebebaninzi bayathetha abanye baphethe intsimbi bafuna ukundibetha. So ke ngoku uyacacisa omnye ba wena usimpimpe kudade Mateyise, of which udade Mateyise I haven't seen that person since prelims. I haven't been to the tuck shop since prelims because sasithumela man sasinikele uba ufuna uthenga into tuck shop like unikele umuntu. So I haven't been kuthiwa ndibonwe ndime naye no ndiqonda uba nkosi yami yini ilishwe lingaka bawo ilishwe lingaka. I had nothing to do with it. Not uba mhlawumbi kuthiwa ke ndandike ndancokola ngayo uba obani mhlawumbi bafuna ubetha abantwana kwathi not even not yabalilishwa ndabanelishwa because I had nothing to do with it. Bayathetha bonke ndithi mna people that I was friends with 2014 15 16 namhlanje abandazi. They believed that ndim nyalo. People that I've helped financially and missing a lot, but like I mean you would know ba no man umuntu mna wayendimele mna la crowd yonke mna enginanga msonhlanganiso. I said guys, how sure are you ba nguye? Niyazi guys, anina big challenge ndithethayo. Isikolo sonke sijonge kuma, abanye bakhwele phezukwe thala lencwadi, abanye bakhwele phezukwe amatanki bafuna ukubona lento, abanye bakhwele kulomthi. Guys, yo ndithi ndiphendule lo like guys bathetha bonke andiziva nami uba ndithini at this point. Yo guys bathetha bonke andiyazi noma ndithini bafuna undibetha like umuntu onqandayo apha ngunangamso kuphela. Yo guys bathi ke bana uxelela uprincipal lo ucabulala naye bayathukisa nothukisa ke uthetha into ezinkulu ulala naye basizophuma thina ehostel no. Yo guys andiyani mama ndithini andikwazi uzidefend because like ndiba ngathi guys andiyazi lento nithetha ngayo. Okay masiyeni kudade Mateyise ke because ukhona like andiyazi andiyani ba ingase ndithini bathi babulela hostel bona. Ofisho mna ndandingenangxaki ndandingazange ndithi mabagxothwe bathatha into zabo ke abanye babo bahla besithi baphindela hostel bona bazophuma hostel benza nganto. Kwashiyeka ke abanye ke waza kuma omnye wabo she was this short kum wandiqhaba ngempama guys ke ngokusenomsindo nami we fought. I'm wearing all white, remember. Guys salwa ke kwangena omnye wabo wapakanyela and she came from Ebek uze abe uyandibetha ndiwe khuzuka amadolo mntanam. It was a lot. Injani matric jacket uyayibona indlela ephuma esikoleni ebheke hostel ithe kanje mos. Also I rolled because ngibetha ngasegate ndawo bebethe emotweni kaMiss Ndikinci yabo ndanqandwa yi kwabe sekunyukela gquba belihlile if you remember. Bafika befuna upakanyela ke bese befuna unibetha bonke baza bonke. Afika u security kwakuthiwa corruption wanqanda ba ayikho ke ngolento eseniyenza ke ubani zopakanyela umuntu oyi1. Ndafaka security house kwabizwa amapolisa kwabe sekubizwa abazali bam. Yo guys kwabe sekubizwa abazali bam. That day hurts me guys. That day hurts me even today because like I don't know ba like ndabhala kakubi i-final exam guys. Ndabhala kakubi nyani. That day affected me still because xa ndicinga ngiqonde inoma kwakutheni zikhethwe mina like inoma kwakutheni because nkosi yami I swear even today I had nothing to do with it. If maybe after these years ukhona umuntu onothi hayi kwaye kwathi I would understand like andicacisele ba kwaye kwathini because I still don't know. Fika mama notata bathi mandithatha izinto zami ndimke hostel sendileke xesha ke ngoba lingapheli. Bathi mandiphume hostel ndizobhala im-final exam ndihlale ekhaya. What was the point yoba ndizohlala hostel? Ndithi kuwe mna ndandi-escortwa ndandibhala ndandisuka ekhaya elalini indibeke imoto egeyithini ndibhale xa ndibhala yinto imoto yasekhaya ndimke ndabhala kanjalo nge-final exam yami yonke Guys, I had the worst experience during finals. Like, I don't know why everyone believed it was me. I don't know, even today, and Yazi. Like, that day hurts me a lot. If you have questions,
Yo, guys, this lady really touched me with a story of being bullied at school. And guys, when I say she is right, and I can just imagine how she is feeling right now. And right now, she's actually saying, no, man, that thing, it really affected me, and it's still affecting her even today. And it's really bad. If there is one thing that people should come together and fight against, this thing is a bullying at school, because that thing, you carry it, man. Like, I've seen people that are grown up, people that are working, people that are doing well in life, and they will still talk about that one incident that has happened maybe at school, especially high school. You can just imagine, I really don't know what was happening, and Naya, she doesn't know what really happened. Where was all those things coming from? Because you see this group of people standing against you. This one is saying their own things, and you are the only person there trying to stand and explain yourself. Unfortunately, no one is willing to listen to your guys. I just feel her pain. Like, I just feel her pain. But one thing that I can say is that God have a way of elevating you. I know that at this point she will not realize, she will not see. That's why now she's questioning herself, or why did I have to go through that? Sometimes it might take years, sometimes it might take months. It depends. It depends. But there is a reason why she went through that. Like, there is a reason why she went through that. One thing about pain, it will actually elevate you, and you will realize later on in life, maybe after about 10 years, after about 20 years, man, no, the reason why I went through that is because of this thing that you are doing today, this thing that you have just achieved today. It happens like that. It's just that when you experience such things, especially at high school, guys, we know how schools are. Like, I can just imagine how she felt going to school, being waited by her parents outside, being like, I can just imagine other kids are free going in freely. So now you wish if you can be like other kids, but unfortunately you cannot be. You are removed from the hostel, and guys, she have been through a lot. I don't even want to lie. I really don't want to start imagining what she went through, because yes, that's why even today she's still being affected. When she thinks about it, she over explains. She like, she always wants to make sure that you understand. Unfortunately, it's because she was not no one was willing to listen to her at that time when they were busy bullying her. And even if those people can come today and say, yo, girl, you know what, we are sorry, trust me, the wound will not go away. The wound will not be healed. It will always be like that until her until she sit herself down to say, you know what, it's okay. But she can only do this once she have seen the purpose of what she went through, of that bullying.